Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account email, current password, and the phone or email tied to Roblox two-step verification. First, sign in on a trusted device and open account settings. This starts the verification flow. Once done, make sure you can receive codes. Check spam for email codes and signal strength for SMS. If you use an authenticator app, open it now so you can compare codes. These prerequisites prevent delays and give you immediate options to change or remove two-step verification. You navigate to security and find two-step verification settings, then pick disable or update methods. This is the core action. When you select remove or change, Roblox prompts for the current code. Enter it from SMS, email, or your authenticator app. If you lost access, use a saved backup code now. If none exist, request account support. Make sure to update your phone number or link an authenticator if you intend to keep protection, because changing methods requires immediate revalidation. You finish by confirming the change and testing it. Log out and sign back in to verify that codes send or that 2SV is off. If a code never arrives, try backup codes or toggle airplane mode on your phone. Sometimes SMS delays occur. If you're locked out without backups, collect proof of ownership like purchase receipts and email timestamps, then contact Roblox support. One key tip: always save at least one backup code or link an authenticator app to avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.